Unlock the power of free AI and supercharge your information retrieval with the ultimate Retrieval-Augmented Generation setup using Deepseek. First, let's understand the core idea. We're going to create a system that doesn't just generate text, but intelligently retrieves relevant information first, then uses that context to generate incredibly accurate and helpful responses, all without spending a dime. The first crucial step is preparing your knowledge base. This means gathering all the documents, articles, or data you want your AI to learn from. Think of this as building your AI's personal library. The more comprehensive and well-organized this library is, the better our AI will perform. This could be anything from scientific papers to company internal documents. Next, we need to set up an efficient way to search this library. We'll be leveraging specific techniques to break down your documents into smaller, manageable chunks and create a searchable index. This indexing process is like creating a super fast catalog for your entire knowledge base, allowing our AI to pinpoint the most relevant information in an instant. Now, the magic ingredient: Deepseek. We'll be integrating Deepseek's powerful language model. This model acts as the brain of our operation, but its true power is unlocked when it receives the context we've diligently retrieved from our indexed library. Instead of relying solely on its pre-trained knowledge, it will now have access to your specific, up-to-date information. The process then follows a clear path when a user asks a question or provides a prompt. Our system first uses the index library to find the most relevant pieces of information. Then, these retrieved snippets are fed directly into Deepseek. Along with the original prompt, Deepseek then synthesizes this information to generate a response that is both contextually aware and highly accurate, directly addressing the user's query with the retrieved knowledge. To optimize this, focus on the quality of your initial data and the granularity of your document. Chunking smaller, more focused chunks often lead to more precise retrieval. Experiment with different indexing strategies and pay attention to how Deepseek utilizes the retrieved context. Fine-tuning can further enhance its ability to leverage this information, leading to remarkable improvements in output quality and helpfulness. By following these steps, you can set up a cutting-edge RAG application with Deepseek, harnessing the power of advanced AI for intelligent information retrieval and generation. Completely free, start building your smarter AI today.